Hello, welcome back. Today we will be discussing how to build an emergency fund and why you need one. Building an emergency fund is a critical component of financial planning and security. An emergency fund serves as a financial safety net, providing you with a cushion to cover unexpected expenses or financial emergencies without derailing your long-term financial goals. Here's a guide on how to build an emergency fund and why you need one. 1. Determine your target emergency fund amount. Start by calculating how much you'll need in your emergency fund. Financial experts typically recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, but your target amount may vary based on factors such as your income stability, family size, and financial obligations. 2. Set clear savings goals. Break down your target emergency fund amount into manageable savings goals. Set specific, achievable milestones to track your progress and stay motivated throughout the saving process. 3. Prioritize saving. Treat building your emergency fund as a financial priority. Allocate a portion of your income towards savings each month, just like you would with other essential expenses such as rent, utilities, or groceries. 4. Automate your savings. Make saving effortless by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your designated emergency fund account. Automating your savings ensures consistency and helps you avoid the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. 5. Start small and increase over time. If saving a substantial emergency fund seems overwhelming, start small and gradually increase your savings over time. Even saving a modest amount each month can add up over time and provide a valuable financial safety net. 6. Avoid risky investments. While it's essential to earn a return on your savings, prioritize safety and liquidity when building your emergency fund. Avoid investing your emergency fund in volatile or illiquid assets that may be difficult to access when you need them most. Why do you need an emergency fund? A. Financial protection. An emergency fund provides financial protection and peace of mind, allowing you to cover unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, home maintenance, or job loss without resorting to high-interest debt or depleting your savings. B. Avoiding debt. Having an emergency fund helps you avoid accumulating debt to cover unexpected expenses. By having cash readily available, you can handle emergencies without relying on credit cards, personal loans, or payday loans, which can lead to a cycle of debt. C. Stability and flexibility. An emergency fund provides stability and flexibility in your financial life, enabling you to navigate unforeseen circumstances or economic downturns with confidence. It gives you the freedom to make proactive decisions and weather financial storms without sacrificing your long-term financial goals. D. Protecting your investments. By having an emergency fund, you can protect your investments and long-term savings from being prematurely liquidated to cover emergencies. In conclusion, building an emergency fund is a fundamental aspect of financial planning that provides security, stability, and peace of mind. By prioritizing saving, setting clear goals, and staying disciplined, you can build a robust emergency fund that safeguards your financial well-being and helps you achieve your long-term financial goals.